Hello everyone and welcome to MSI's Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect. Today we are diving into a powerful vision called Viksit Bharat. What does a developed country like India look like? And more importantly, what role do we play as a youth in shaping it? Now we have with us our inspiring faculty who will guide us and will share their experiences.
Hello sir, so my first question to you is, how can the education system be improved to support the vision of Viksit Bharat?
So I think if you are make it practical more and more and attach with the practical problems, general problems, then it may be, you can say that the more helpful to develop the India as a Viksit Bharat.
Sir, are we focusing enough on practical skills and innovation in colleges all across India?
At present, it is not sufficient according to, you can say that the student's strength. It should be more and more requirement of, you can say that the skill development program.
What role do colleges play in shaping socially responsible citizens?
College has a major role. That's why the subjects like ethics and Indian knowledge systems are added to the curriculum so that the students can learn. So we have the subjects like ethics and all so that students come, we have teamwork, we all come together to work in labs and all. So this makes them aware of how you have to live as in a society and a social environment.
Yes ma'am. Sir, are we focusing enough on practical skills and innovation in colleges?
कंप्यूटर लैब्स में तो प्रैक्टिकल तो आपके सिलेबस ओरिएंटेड है प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स तो मेनली वी give lectures on Power BI, Excel training and the need of students from the university industries basics जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं उनमें कोलैबोरेशन के प्रोवाइड करने के लिए उनको प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, गेस्ट लेक्चर्स देते हैं, बुलाते हैं उनको कि स्टूडेंट्स इंडस्ट्री के बीच में जो टाई अप कर सकते हैं वो कर सकते हैं, वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं. इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर भी है कॉलेज में जो स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प कर सकता है इनोवेशन के लिए सोसाइटी को.
Thank you very much ma'am.
What advice would you like to give it to your students who actually want to make a real difference?
So basically I will give you two advices. One is the motivation and second one is the discipline. So motivation motivate you to achieve your goals and discipline will make you sustain with that goals. So if student wants to achieve anything in his or her life, they have to stick with these two things. One is discipline and second one is motivation. मोटिवेशन कहीं ना कहीं आपको लैक करेगा, लेकिन डिसिप्लिन जहाँ पे मोटिवेशन लैक करेगा वहाँ पे डिसिप्लिन आपको आगे लेके जाएगा. तो बी इन डिसिप्लिन, अपना टाइम टेबल बनाएं, उसको फॉलो करने की कोशिश करें, किसी दूसरे से सजेशन नहीं लेना है. जो हमें अचीव करना है उसकी जो पैरामीटर्स हैं, उसकी जो सीढ़ियाँ कहें हम, वो हमें खुद डिसाइड करनी पड़ेगी कि क्या क्या हमें करना चाहिए. वो हम अचीव करेंगे, अपने डिसिप्लिन से अचीव करेंगे.
Thank you.